5,000 US dollars is $500,000 Jamaican dollars. Most of the time Jamaicans are not spending $500,000 Jamaican dollars to send a barrel to Jamaica. They're spending close to 1,000 or over a little bit. So this is going to be a serious issue for people that like to send barrels to their family. Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I want to talk about customs. I recently uploaded a video that's stating that the Chinese own Kingston port. Well, them own the Kingston port, and plenty of things they change. Okay, Jamaica Customs Agency has advised that effective Monday, May 11th, customs officers are no longer preparing simplified declarations for walk-in customers clearing simplified shipments not exceeding US $5,000. That's $500,000 Jamaican dollars. The Shipping Association of Jamaica was informed of the change in a letter from the JCA, which states that the new measures are being implemented to protect their employees and all stakeholders in the view of the presence and spread of novel coronavirus in Jamaica. The new regime for clearance of shipments requires all importers, including persons clearing barrels containing personal effects, to use an authorized third party, such as customs broker, freight forwarder, or warehouse operator, to prepare and submit their goods declaration to effect clearance of imported goods. The public needs to understand that these new custom measures requires that persons wanting to clear goods must truthfully declare to the authorized third party acting on their behalf the contents and values of the items in the shipment, as this submission to custom is legally binding. Also, the public needs to be mindful that authorized third parties set their own rates for clearing imported goods, and these rates vary. The services offered also vary, and the importer has the choice of 3 levels of assistance from authorized third parties. So let's get into those. The only preparation and submission of the simplified declaration on behalf of the importer to customs, in which the customer will proceed to the warehouse to make the requisite payments to customs and collect the goods after customs inspection. 2. The preparation and submission of simplified declarations along with payments to the customs on behalf of the importer, in which the case customers will proceed to the warehouse to collect the goods after customs inspection. 3. The preparation and submission of simplified declarations along with payments to customs on behalf of the importer, as well as the collection and delivery of the goods from customs to the customer. Both the special duty rate for the barrels containing only personal goods and household effects and the use of unaccompanied baggage allowances are still in operation, but content should not include goods in commercial quantities or for commercial purposes. The public is also advised that in using services of authorized third parties, persons should not attend the office of these service providers unless they have been notified to do so. So when you send your barrel and your things, you're going to need a third party to clear it for you. Putting it in layman terms. Do you think this is going to affect the way that Jamaicans help their family members in Jamaica? Do you think it's going to be a problem? Because 5,000 US dollars is $500,000 Jamaican dollars. Most of the time Jamaicans are not spending $500,000 Jamaican dollars to send a barrel to Jamaica. They're spending close to 1,000 or over a little bit. So this is going to be a serious issue for people that like to send barrels to their family. What are your thoughts? Do you think that this needed to be implemented just so Jamaicans can start buying stuff within Jamaica and stop purchasing stuff from other countries, because it is needed to stabilize the economy? And I know that's a part of one of the reasons why they're doing it, so Jamaicans are forced to buy from people in Jamaica. But honestly, sometimes I feel like the taxes and the prices that they sell the stuff for in Jamaica is way too expensive, and sometimes they're doubling and tripling the original price just to sell it in Jamaica to make a profit. And it's very sad because they're trying to make a profit and also retain the money that they spent and how much they spent to clear it at customs and all of that. So what are your thoughts? Do you think it's going to be a good thing? Do you think it's going to be a bad thing? Do you think it's going to stabilize the economy a little bit? Do you think it's going to be harder for Jamaicans overseas that like to send barrel to their family to help their family now, because they're not going to send a barrel full of $500,000 Jamaican worth of stuff? What are your thoughts on the Chinese now owning the port of Kingston and all these new changes rolling in? What are your thoughts? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces, and I'm sorry if you can hear the fan, but like I said, I can't turn it off. And I'm sorry if you're hearing Kai Kai. This is the last video, then mommy is about to go take care of him. I'm up out of here. Deuces. You're saying deuces, Papa? You're saying deuces? You saying deuces? Say deuces. Say peace.